Today on What I Learn on YouTube, I finally get what artificial intelligence actually is. Let's break it down together. Okay, so, I always thought AI was like some crazy robot brain. But after watching a few videos, here's what I learned. Artificial intelligence is basically when we teach computers how to think a little like humans, but without real feelings or consciousness. It's more like giving them a set of rules or a giant pile of examples, and saying, hey, figure this out by yourself. There are two big types of AI, narrow AI, super focused, like your phone's voice assistant or the YouTube recommendation engine. General AI. That's the sci-fi kind that can do anything a human can. But we're not there yet. Most of the AI today? It's just math, patterns, and a ton of data, running really fast behind the scenes. Here's an example that made it click for me. Imagine you show a computer 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs. At first, it doesn't know anything, but after enough examples, it starts to notice, cats usually have pointier ears, dogs usually have bigger snouts, and it can guess which is which, all by itself. No magic, just patterns, practice, and lots of mistakes at first. Honestly, I thought AI was way more mysterious. But really, it's just machines getting really good at pattern spotting. It's cool, but also kinda makes you realize, humans are pattern spotters too. That's what I learned today on What I Learn on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out, see you in the next one.